Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you Zoom phone tutorial how to use Zoom VoIP phone system for beginners. Welcome to this beginner tutorial on Zoom phone. If you're new to Zoom VoIP phone system or just curious about how it works, you have come to the right video. Zoom phone is a cloud-based phone solution that integrates seamlessly with Zoom meetings and other communication tools. It's perfect for businesses, remote teams, and individual looking for a modern, flexible way to make and receive call all from your computer, smartphone, or desk phone. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to get started with Zoom phone, including its key features, how it works, and tips for maximizing its potential. And let's dive in. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a solid understanding of how Zoom Phone can enhance your communication experience. Zoom Phone is a part of Zoom unified communication platform which combines voice, video chat, and conference into seamless experience. As a VoIP, it means voice over internet protocol system. It allows you to make and receive calls over the internet instead of using traditional phone lines. This means no more bulky hardware or complicated setup, just an internet connection and a comparable device. Whether you're using a desktop app, mobile app, or physical desk phone, Zoom Phone keeps you connected wherever you go. It's one of the best thing about Zoom Phone is its flexibility. You can use it on multiple devices, transfer calls between them, and even integrate with other businesses tools like CRM system. Let's take a look at some of the standout features of Zoom Phone. First one is a call management. And second thing is a video integration, voicemail to email call recording and interactive voice response, which is called IVR setup for automated menus to route callers to the right department or person. These features make Zoom Phone not just a phone system, but a complete communication solution. These tools help streamline workflows and ensure nothing falls through the crack. Now, let's get started. On the right side, you will see this option of sign up for free. Let's go here. You have to enter your edge, and here we will just go and click on I will use my Google account to make it very fast. And once you do the signing, just go and click on continue. And if you have a Zoom account, automatically you can use it. If you don't have already a Zoom account, you can follow the same step which I did and follow the prompt to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the phone tab in the left hand menu. So you can see here there's a lot of option, right? But before going there, let's just go to the plan and pricing section here. So you can see here, this is a workplace section. This is a phone section, right? So if you're just looking to buy for the phone, you can just go to the phone here. This is showing me according to my country. Let's say I will change it from here and you're going to call from us. Let's say it's available from in these countries. Let's go to the bottom and select United States of America. Right now here you can see these are the basic charts, for example US and Canada mode and US and Canada Unlimited Pro Plan Business Plan. So before making any calls, let's go and set up our profile. So you can see here on the left side, you will see a lot of option. Don't get worried here. I will explain each and everything. Now click on your profile icon in the top right side corner here. It's available. You can also go and click on here and it shows me one of the basic plans which I have. I can also use my another account now. Here, this is my new pseudo name here. And this is a phone number, the language, and you can edit out each and everything. I can also edit my personal meeting ID, the host key, the license, the subscription, which I have taken, and from which phone I have logged in, each and everything, right? So this field you can edit it out and you can just change here. Here, you can add your personal information, upload a picture here, right? You can say this is a pencil, like I can edit out and I can put my picture, customize your color ID. You can also set up your availability status, choose between available away and do not disturb, right? And you can also connect your calendar so that you can host your meetings, Zoom meetings as well as Zoom calls. Customizing your profile ensure you that present a professional image and make it easier for others to identify you during calls. Now let's configure your voicemail settings. But if you have noticed one thing, you can see here there's a no option of voice. There's a no option of voicemail, nothing. Now, why is this? So, this is because I didn't look the price and planning here. If I just go and click on price and planning, go to the phone, and then only I can use it because just a basic one I need to buy it, right? You can see here, I need to contact the sales team and they're going to verify a lot of things. They're going to verify a lot of stuff here. For example, US and Canada, meter read, click on continue. I have to enter all these details. And then once I verified, then only I will be able to buy this. And once I buy this, I will be able to get an option here. So if you get an option, you can also get an option of voicemail. And if you have, then you can do one thing. You can just go record, you can just go to the phone tab, which you will find here on the left side, and then you can go to the voicemail record and personalized greeting message that a caller will hear when you are unavailable, unable voicemail to email or voicemail to text, so that you can receive a transcription directly in your inbox or via SMS. These features ensure you never miss the important message, even if you're away from our desk. Now, how you can make your first call. Open the Zoom desktop or mobile app, right? And even this is also fine. Navigate to the phone tab, which you will find on the left side, right? This is exactly a meeting option, right? Once you go to the phone, this is the exactly what you will see here and enter the number you want to dial. So you'll get a number, you have to dial the number. You can also search for contacts in your directory or recent caller list. Click the green button icon to initiate the call. During the call, you will see this option to mute, hold, transfer, or record the conversation, right? That's really important. It's that simple. Zoom Phone works just like any other phone system, but with added flexibility and features. I hope you don't get confused when someone calls you their name or a number will appear on the screen. Answer the call by clicking the green phone icon. If you miss a call, check your voicemail or re-review the missed call notification, the recent call section. You can also set up call forwarding rules to ensure call reach you. Even when you are not at your desk, go to the settings, click on call handling and forwarding to configure these preferences. With call forwarding, you will never miss an important call. Whether you are working remotely or traveling, one of the Zoom Phone standout feature it is seamless integration with Zoom meetings, which you can see here on the left side during a call. Click the video button and this call will escalate the conversation into a video meeting. This especially useful for collaborative discussion or whether you need to share screen and files. Switching between voice and video is very effortless, making Zoom Phone a versatile tool for all types of communication. If you manage a business line, consider setting up a IVR system, also known as auto attendant. Go to the phone tab, select auto receptionist, and configure menu to route call to appropriate department and person, record a grading message, and define routing rules based on users. Input an AVR system improve efficiency by direct callers to the right place. Without manual intervention for administration or administrators, Zoom phones provide a detailed report, which you can find here in the report section. Usage trends and performance metrics. Now, here, choose from form pre-built templates like caller volume, summaries, or create custom reports tailored to your need. But obviously, you can do this because you need a paid plan. You can also get a user activity reports here. You can see here, these are the advantages and you can use for it. These insights help you to optimize resources, identify bottleneck, and improve overall communication strategies. And that's it. You now know how to use Zoom Phone step by step, from setting up your profile, making the calls, and managing teams and generating reports. And I'm so sorry because I don't have this option of call because I don't have the IVS system. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.